Hello everyone. In this video, I'm excited to share with you my brand new collection of over 300 rock sculpting alpha brushes, fully compatible with both ZBrush and Blender. If you're looking to quickly add realistic rock details, cracks, chips, or organic textures to your 3D models, this pack is designed to boost your creativity and save you hours of work. Inside the bundle, you'll find a huge variety of high-resolution alphas, everything from deep fissures and jagged cracks to subtle weathering, stone surfaces, and natural imperfections. Each brush is provided in easy-to-use formats like PNG and PSD, and everything is organized and ready for drag-and-drop use. Why did I create this pack? After years of sculpting rocks and natural surfaces for gains and film, I realized how much time you can save with the right alpha tools. Every alpha in this pack was crafted to provide clean, crisp results. And Blender's setters to date, if you found this video a retoucher panel and add any alpha from the pack as a brush texture. Instantly, you can apply complex rock patterns, adjust strength, size, and angle and happy sculpting your textures for future packs. Instantly, you can apply sculpting rock patterns or want to achieve a higher level of realism in less time. This brush, the perfect solution, check the link in both ZAdd and Rock or want to achieve a higher level of realism in less time. This brush set is the perfect solution. Check the link in the description to get your copy, see all the previews, and start transforming your projects today. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and feel free to comment below if you have any questions or pre-chirp black. Thanks for watching and happy sculpting. Trock the lack.